I warn everyone that. Go.
So terrible. What do you want from me?
Nothing.
Please stop it.
Very odd. When Yayan holds forth for his own fool of a mother, everyone listens politely. I only have to open my mouth, and at once everyone's bored. The very sound of my voice repels you all. Well, so I am repulsive, selfish, tyrannical. Hasn't an old man the right to be a little selfish? Hasn't he earned it? I've devoted my entire life to scholarship, discussing ideas with respected colleagues. Now, for no reason, I find myself in this ghastly Welsh morgue, meeting stupid people all day long, forced to listen to their boring conversation. Well. It's like living in exile. Spend my whole time longing for house. Terrified of dying. I can't bear it. No one here can forgive me for being old.
You'll just have a little patience. In 5 or 6 years, I'll be old myself.
Dada, you asked us specially to send for Dr. Lloyd. He came all this way.
Lloyd.
He had this dreadful accident at the quarry to
There's
attend
as
to.
much about
And you
this
still
as
won't
I
see
do
him.
about astronomy.
We can hardly ask the entire medical staff.
An idealist.
Up to you.
John. This house.
Yes, thank you.
Here are the pills on the table now.
Here you are.
No. Not those. I can't anyone do what I ask.
He's so grumpy. I haven't time for it. It's like running a door with a harness.
I'm here.
No.
Go to bed now.
Don't leave me